driver PIXMA, Canon PIXMA. You look in the serial, and this here your download driver. You type the driver download. Please wait. Search the official website, and this here the official website for the Canon. You click here, and please wait. Website loading. Okay, this here the title for the Windows, for the Mac, and for the Linux. Step one, I click for Linux, and this here the operating system first. This here the first and you look in the release update. You click here. You see the release update for the Linux testing. Okay, this here the for Linux uh, version. And step two, you click the Mac. Click here. This here the for Mac operating system. Like here you will issue the version. Click here, and this here the for the Mac 12, Mac 11 for the driver for the Mac 12 and Mac 11 new driver for Mac, and I am testing for the Mac 12. Click here. You look in the here is release update title, and uh, we release update for information, and this here the driver for the Mac and scanning driver will provide for scanning. This here the driver will provide for the printing. This here is here scanning, and this here the printing. You look in the release update get information. This here the print editor is software for printing to image store. This here for the printing, and this here the image printing again. And this quick menu, and this here is scanner. Okay, step three, and click the Windows. This here the operating system for the Windows. I'm testing for the Windows 11. This here for Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows 9.1, Windows Vista, Windows Server, Windows XP. This video you need to load driver Windows 11. Click here the Windows 11. Please wait. Website loading. Now I am testing for the Windows 8. This here driver not support for the Windows. Um, Maybe this you do not for the support for the Windows. You comment below. This the you comment below for the title support for the Windows 11. And this is the uh, information you to me, and if I am please write the comment if you download support for Windows. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe my video, share my channel, and if you need link a lot below description. If you need question, comment below. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.